Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing about these interview SQL interview questions based on the joins. Into that there is three tables present. So we need to find about the inner join, left join, right join, full outer join based on the output. So you know that there is a particularly what happened. The interviewer asked about the based on the two tables only. So but in that there is a three tables. Firstly, we can consider as the first table output, so table 1 and table 2. So after that we can read about the into the table 3. So you know that they firstly we check about the inner join, so it only fetches the matching records in both the tables. So we need to find out about the firstly we need to that inner join, right? So inner join, what happens, there is only matching records present. So you know that in the first table having different types of records present, and the table 2 having the matching some matching records present. So that y is present how many times in the second table, that is one time only. So we can tell that y here. After that this x is matches with how many times, this one time in the second table, that is x only. This x is matched with how many times, that is x only. So this 0 is matches with two times, so we can consider as a 0 or 0. So this z is matches with only one time here, like a z. So this null is not matched with null in the SQL only, so we can ignore about this. And this one is also not matched with any. So our output is for the first two tables is 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 6 records our output is showing. So just we paste it here as it is, and just give the border about this. So and we will match about this third table, right? So just copy it, yeah. And we are related about this, we can consider about this two table output is that this one, and the like table 3 output is same as it is. So just you know that this we can do the inner join here. So this y is matches with how many times in the second table, no match, so 0 record is present, 0. So right, and this x is how many times, that is 2 time, here is 2 is output. And this x is matches with how many times, this 2 times, right, as it is. This 0 is matches with no is 0 is there, and this 0 is not matches with 0, we can ignore about this. And this z matches with how many times, this is 1 2 3, so 3 times is present. So we will check about this once again. This y is matches, no record is present. This x is matches with how many times, 1 or 2. This x is matches with 2 times, and this 0 is not matches with into the second table, and this 0 is not matches with second table. And z is matches with how many times, this is 3 times. So our output is 2 plus 3, that is 6 is our output. So yeah, we can delete this again, no border we use here. And as per the condition we can delete this. And you know that this we are now going for the left join. Left join means like inner join plus all remaining records from the left tables. You know that the inner join means our output is for inner join is, we can do from the start from here. So we will check from the left join only. So inner join output is, that is y is matched with that only one time here. And this x is times how many times, that is one time here, that is x. And this x is matched with one time here only. So that is 0 is matches with how many times, that is 2 times here, that is 0. And z is matches with z only one time. And null is not matched with null here. And this one, yeah, this is correct. But that is left tables having not matching records also present, we can take it here, that is null here. And this one is matches with one only. This is the output for the left join of that table 1 and table 2. Just we copy it as it is from that, and paste it here for the output of this 2 only, yeah. And we match with this records as it is, right? So yeah, now we will check for the both the tables of left join. So this y is matches how many times here, that is no records for the y, that is 0 only here. And this x is this 2 time matches, that is 2 only here. and this x matched with 2 times here. This 0 is matches with how many times? 0 is not matched, this 0 is not matched, this z is matching with 3 times here. Yeah, 3 times, and this null is not matched, this null, this one is matched with 1 time here. दिस इज़ करेक्ट, बट हमें क्या करना है अभी कि, है ना, कि जो भी मैच नहीं है उसको हम क्या करेंगे, ए मैच नहीं है लेफ्ट टेबल में, ए भी मैच नहीं है, ए भी मैच नहीं है, और बोल सकते हैं कि नल इज़ नॉट मैच्ड विथ नल. So that is the left table remaining 1 2 3 4. So that is 4, means like our output is for this is a 12. 2 plus 4, that is 6, 5 7 8 12, that is left for join output 12. Now we will try this for this cut like this only, and this is no border, right, as it is. We can delete this as, or put this first, delete this, okay, right. So now we will check for the right join about this. So you know that the firstly we check for the 2 tables right join. So right join means like inner join plus all remaining records from the right tables only. So we will check here, that is y record how many times, sorry, that is, so this x is how many times, that is x is 2 times here, x as it is, x as it is, and for the 0 is record how many, that is 0, 1 time only. After that this y is how many times, this is only one, y is there, and this 0 is matches with how many times, that is 0 only. That is z is how many times, that is z 1 time, and this null is not matched with null, but we can consider as a null here for the right table. This is output for this first 2 tables, just we copy as it is here, and we can relate about this for the third table, right. So we will try this for the now. For this, what is the output of inner join? So you know that firstly I will all border, right, yeah. So check this about that x is matched with like this z is matched with how many times here, that is 1 time only, that is 1. This z is matched with 1 time only, 1, this is 1 also, and this x is matched with how many times, 1 2, that is 2 time here. This x is matched with how many times, that is 2 times here, and this null is not matched with the null, and this one is matched with how many times, no matches. So z is matches with 1 time, 3 time, right. So x is matched with 2, this x is matched with 2, this extra column will be present here, null, because sorry, this is extra column of the null, and this one is also extra in the right table. So that is for null for 1, and this 1 for 1. So our output is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that is the 9 is the output for this, 4 6 7, yeah, 9 is output for the right table. Now we will try for the full outer join. So you know that this y is matches with how many times here, like this is 1 time only, y. This x is matches with how many times, that is x is this x and this x, and after that this 0 is matches with how many times, that is 0 and this 0. So this z is matches with how many times, that is z only, right. So this is correct. You know that this inner join plus all left table records plus all the right table records, this is correct, but extra columns is present from the left table, that is null and this one, so we consider as null also, and this one also, this null, this one, and this null also. So that is the output for the, yeah, this is output for the 2 tables for the full outer join. So we just copy it as it is here, and we just paste it as it is, right? So we just compare about this to this to only as it is. This is the right all border. So we can do this full out version. What is the output of these two tables? So y is matches with how many times? No record is present for the y, that is 0 only. 0 only. So this x is matched with how many times here? That is 2 times. This x is also at 2 times only, and this 0 is not matches with 0. This 0 is not matches with 0. Okay, this z is not matched with this z is matched with 3 times only here, and this z is match this null is matched with not null in SQL. We can consider as 0 here for null. This one is matched with how many times? That is 1 only, and this null is not matched with null, so that is also 0 only. So our output is for this, that is extra is present. This one will be present extra, this 0, this 2, this null, this null, right? And in the right table, what we cannot use this null, this is not we used. Yeah, our output is extra 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is the 6. Once again we check. So our count is 2 4, that is 7, that is 8 or 6, that is 14. 14 is the output for the full join, I guess. I am not sure. So now we will check for the cross join output. So you know that the cross join, that is matches every records from the left table with every records from the right table. We can consider as it is for this. So you know there is this y 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, all the records match with this only second table. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that is 7 1 2 3 4 5 6, 7 into 6 42, right? So 42 is the count of this first two table, that is 42, right, for the two table. And this 42, this is for table 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that is the second 7 record is present, that is 42. 42 multiply, that is 7. So our output is equal to 14, 14, that is the 294 is the output for this cross join. That is so please try everyone about this query. That is joins based SQL questions. This may be asked in each round of interview. So that's it. Thank you guys.